the results. There originates person from which food and the right or the project. What do you think? All the both. What is this? All the person what is inside? Which voice of the absent. Instead again. You'll bring the book. Only you will not do. Where is your friend today? She's not coming. It's not only one homework we have to say, ask me. Why did you do well, why okay. What emergency? What are
like my mom was calling me that have you reached?
that will be for class. You should send the message now. So I forgot.
Yeah.
Okay. These two are talking only. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh.
Out there, then 10 and 11 some I'm having out.
10th and 11th term you are out. Okay. You are run the work. Last class you are sitting in the front bench and you are not doing anything properly. Then I'll make you to sit over here. Then I'll see how many years all. You all are signed. You all are signed. Pass it to all of you. Sign the attendance sheet. Pass it to other side. Last bench. Yeah. Inequalities, the last questions, okay. Homework questions. 9th one, all of you got the answer? Yes, sir. Any problem? 10th one, any problem? No. 10th one?
Yeah.
10th one, what is the problem? Read the question.
Given A is equal to X.
Who's talking? Stop talking.
X is 2 minus 8.
X such that minus X minus 8 less than 5X plus 2 less than or equal to 70. X belongs to I means I is an integer. Same way the second one, X belongs to R is a real number. Okay, represent A and B on two different number lines. That is the problem. What is the intersection is the problem?
Intersect A and B on write down the element from A intersection.
What is the problem then? Did you get what is it?
In the bracket I didn't understand the numbers.
Look here, first one is what? Minus 8 less than or equal to B.
Minus 8 less than 5x.
Who is talking there? Shh. Stop the discussions. Less than
5x plus 2 less than equal to 70.
Less than equal to 17. Directly you can do. Subtract my 2. That will get us minus 10 less than 5x less than or equal to 15. Now what do you have to do? Divide by 5. minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 3. Okay, that is x belongs to what I know.
Yes.
Therefore, a is this a no. A is equal to what are the values you'll get?
Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
Okay now. And what is the B set? Tell them.
E set is x such that. So like minus 2 less than equal to 7 plus x less than 17.
Less than 17, isn't it? So what you need to do? Subtract 7. Subtract 7 means minus 9. Less than or equal to 3x. Less than 10. Yes or no? Divide. Dividing means what will you get here? Minus 3 less than x less than 10 by 3. 10 by 3 you can write 3 1 by 3. This means is all okay na?
Yeah.
Where x belongs to R means it is set builder form. B is equal to set x such that minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 3 1 by 3 for my x belongs to R. Okay, this is the one. So number line. Tell how to do.
Sir, we will mark -1, 0, 1, and 2 and
Points,
point.
only points, isn't it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's not enough. One more you need to mark. Okay, before also. Minus 2. Okay, this is the one.
Sir, second.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, beta.
Huh? Well, B. Girl side.
Sir,
Girl side, I should know. Let the girls also get a chance. You.
From -4 will
Minus 4.
we'll draw and then we mark -3. Then we are dark circle on
Dark circle at minus 3. Yes or no?
yes.
Then
And then make 3, 4. Then
3
we
and
need
4.
2 divisions
Hmm.
between
2 division means 3 equal division, no?
Yeah.
Means 2 points this way. Okay, this is called this here. This is 3 1 by 3.
hollow circle.
Hollow circle. This is called 3 1 by 3.
And
Unchanged.
dark and
That number line all of you. So minus 2 minus 1 that one. Okay. Okay, sit down. That is the condition is for which one? B. Okay. Now in intersection. Intersection means what? Common between them. Minus 1 is common between these two.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
0 is common between these two.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yeah.
1 is common.
Yes.
2 is common.
Yes.
3 is common.
Yes.
That's all. Same A as it is. A itself with the intersection. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everything is common means A itself. Chalo, done.
Seconds.
Huh?
Another sum.
Another which is that is over now that question.
11th one.
11th one.
X and Y are positive.
Listen. Okay. Yes. That one done.
11th one.
Done.
11th one.
Who was done 11th one? Who was done 11th one? You are done 11th one. Read. Question.
X and Y are positive integers that satisfy 1 is less than equal to x,
1 less than or equal to x.
less than equal to 4,
4. Okay.
and 3x plus 2y is less than equal to
3x plus 2y less than or equal to
13.
1 3. Okay.
These are possible values of y.
That's all, no?
Yeah.
This is the possible values of y.
2 or 5.
2 or
5.
why 2 or 5?
Because when we do the set x equal to 1, 2, 3.
First and foremost thing is x and y are what? What are x and y? What is there? The 3 discussion is going on. Second last, all the 3, what discussion is going on? All. Huh? Oh, so tiny thing, you know, everyone has to search for volume loss. I don't need to further means I will shift the places all 3. Okay. So what is the value of x means? This one it is coming as which are the values? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then Next is,
With the values of x.
if you put x equal to 1, so what will you get over here? 3 plus 2y less than or equal to 13. And therefore 2y less than or equal to 10. Y less than or equal to y. Y less than or equal to 5. So y less than or equal to 5 means what are the values you can take?
We can take, it equal to 3.
Why not 0?
Because positive.
Positive integers is given.
Yes.
Yes, y equal to, you got when x is equal to 1, y is equal to positive integers is given, na?
Yes.
Okay, so what will you get here? So you got y is less than or equal to 5, you got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then
Now, we'll put the value of x, b2.
x equal to 2. Then what is the value of y?
Value of y would be 7 upon 2.
7 upon 2 is 3.5.
3.
3.5 means which are the values will get us? Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then x equal to 3. X equal to 3 means what? 9. 2y. So what
Y
is
is 2.
therefore y is equal to 1. Then x equal to 4. 4 means what will you get here?
0.5.
So it is 0.5. So nothing, isn't it? Okay. Then how did you get 3 and 5? What is the answer you got? Y 2 or 5? Why not these one values?
So because I put like because 0.5 and 3.5 are not the integers.
But when x equal to 1, what is the value? Or common value? How did you come 2 or 5?
So because y is less than equal to 5 and y is
What is it given y less than? That is for the first case now.
Yeah.
And then
And for second case y is less than equal to 3.5.
you know basically this one it is you don't have this one because you know 2 variable values are not there in your as per your syllabus. Only x is only there. Okay. Y is there. Depends upon the value of x, the value of y is changing. When x is equal to 1, correspondingly, what is the value of y? This one. Okay, x equal to 2, this one. X equal to 3, x equal to 4, there is no value because integer should be taken. Okay, so these are the ones. You don't need to do that sum because it's had it been only x is equal to 1, you can tell us these are the values. But depends upon the value of x, the value of y is changing. So no need. Just leave us. Don't do that question. Okay, because you cannot take this one. Okay, common 1. 1 also will not satisfy when y is equal to 4. Okay, for the timing, no need to, don't do this one only. This is basically we are taking this one 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 13. That is not a line. It is not the number line at all. It's a graph will come, one region will come. The other things are not there for you. Okay, no need to do this one. Leave the 11th question. What is the other doubt? Any other doubts? Then second sub question. What is the meaning of second sub question? Is A dash intersection B. That is same as what? Last class I said now. What is the meaning of A dash? A dash intersection B same as B minus A. What is the meaning of B minus A? Elements which belongs to B but does not belongs to A. Okay, can you find out from there? Okay. Then any other problem? No. Okay, that is the one. We have done the inequalities, inequations are completed. Yes. Only last question, the 13th question did you do? Classwork, the last question. 12th one we are done now. 12th we are done now. Is it so? He's filling done. 12th is done. 12th is done. Ranveer, what is the discussion going on there? Yes. Ranveer, read the 13th next question, 13th one. Whose is that volume? Your volume. Where is your volume? Acha, read from there now.
Such that a sum of 1/3 of 1/4 of second and 1/3 of third in all.
At most 20. What is the meaning of at most 20? At most and at least. You know what is the meaning of at most and at least?
Maximum is.
One is at most is called maximum. And the minimum is at least. That is probability also, maybe last year probability was there. Okay, so this one will come the words. So you have to find out there are two conditions, there are three consecutive positive integers. How do you take positive integers? Consecutive integers? X, x plus 1, x plus 2. So write down, let the three consecutive integers be. Let the consecutive positive integers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. All of you sign, there are 3, 4 people are not signed. They are up and down. Three consecutive positive integers are, which are they? X, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now, sum of what all things are given? Sum of 1/3 of the first means x by 3. Then 1/4 of the second means x plus 1 by 4. And third 1/5 of the this one x plus 2 by 2 by 5. What is given? At most 20. What is the meaning of at most 20? Maximum 20. How will you write maximum 20? Less than or equal to. Means maximum is 20. It cannot be more than 20. Are you followed? Sum of these three is at most 20. Means sum of these is less than or equal to 20. Now you have to find out the value of x. How do you find out? Solve. LCM, one method. What is the LCM of 3, 4, 5?
60.
60. Simpler method is just multiply throughout by 60. You can multiply now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so multiplying by 60, what is it? 60 times x by 3 plus 60 times x plus 1 upon 4 plus 60 times x plus 2 divided by 5 less than or equal to 60 times 20. This is as good as LCM only.
Yes.
Okay, so that cancel 20x plus 15 times x plus 1 times how much? 12 times x plus 2 less than or equal to 1200. Simplify and get the value of x. So now you can do now open the bracket and cancel. Can't see. One by 3. Do it in your book. 1 by 3. What is the one? Where is the book? I take out another book and solve it now. Rise to the chemistry. Where is 20 to 60? Half things we are not writing. This time we don't need to multiply 60. Make it a mixed fraction. Addition, struggling addition and all. 47x you are getting?
Yes.
Plus 39 you are getting?
Yes.
47x plus 39 is less than or equal to 1200. 47x is less than or equal to 1161. X less than or equal to 1161. Make it a mixed fraction. Make it a mixed fraction. Division. Who has done the division? We need to divide and find out the fraction. Mixed fraction means you want to make a point. You want to make a point, point. You don't need to do point itself. The remainder is enough now. One, 7 or 6 1. 6 1 now. We can done. All are starting to divide out. 33. What is 33?
Yes.
33 and something. Some are getting 39, some are getting 29, 24, 26. 10 standardly all are studying now. 116. How did you get 33? 3? How did you get 1161 divided by 47? 2 sir or 3 sir? 2 sir. And how 3 is coming? Some are getting 33, some are. So it's coming in how much? 4 sir, 5 sir, 4 sir. So 4 sir, 188, 30, 33. So therefore x is less than 24 and 33 upon 47. You want to make the decimal, you can make the decimal, that much is enough. Okay, not required. Now, that means value of x is less than or equal to, and x is a positive integer. If x is a positive integer means what are the values of x? Starting from 1 till 24. But your question is what? Did you read the question? Largest positive integer, is it or not? Read the question. Largest positive, so 1 to 24, which is the largest positive integer? 24. So 24 is the largest positive. Therefore, which are three numbers? X, x plus 1, x plus 2. So which are the three numbers is coming? 24, 25, 26. Think that. 24, 25, 26. These are the three integers which are inspired. Okay, if you 24. Okay. Got the same thing? Or something else? But division, I did it was something surprised to see different divide division. You told, he knows everything. You also told. Now everyone knows. Who is not told? I have seen different values in different books. Division, respect most of the people. Yes.
Can you explain again that how 24, 25 and 26?
Did you read the question? You have seen now which is the largest positive integer. So if it is x is less than or equal to 24, 33 by 47 means the integers, positive integers means 1 to 24 comes. It is given in the question largest positive integer among 1 to 24, which is the largest one, 24. So the three numbers are, which are three numbers? In the beginning you wrote now, the three numbers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So when x is equal to 24, which are the numbers? 24, 24 plus 1, 24 plus 2. That is 24, 25 and 26. Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
No problem. Inequations. Doubt. Done now? Chalo, we have done the inequation. So the chapter is over. Yes. We are done with the two chapters. There are two chapters done. Now listen. Did you go through all the questions of your Selena textbook of banking? Yes, done now. In where? Banking. Test is there. Announce the date. So immediately you will get the test date and all. Yes, he has a doubt in banking. Okay, let's hear from. Okay. What happened? Banking, we listen. That is Okay, tell.
So like,
You got it? You got it. What? Let's read the question. You explain to us.
sir, the only thing was it is written, what least they are considered.
What least? That only
The
there.
Bajaj needs rupees 30,000 after 2 years. What least money in the multiple of rupees 5 must be deposit every month in a recurring deposit account to get required money at the end of 2 years. The rate of interest being 8%.
So what are the values are given over here?
So MB is given.
Maturity value is 30,000.
30,000.
Then
Time is given.
time is given us
2 years.
2 years means n is equal to 24.
And then rate is given 8%.
Rate is 8. So what do you have to find out? Value of
Deposit
monthly installments, monthly deposit you have to find out. And the final answer should be multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means suppose it is coming as 21. Let's say P is equal to 21. What is your answer? Huh? If 20 means you will get less amount only, na? Are you followed or not? Not rounding up. Multiple of 5. So suppose if you are getting us, he needs how much is the amount needed? 30,000. And after calculating, if you are getting the value of P is equal to 21, is the 21 is the answer? No. Why? The question is multiple of 5. 21 is not a multiple of 5. So what is to be taken? Can you take 20? Why you cannot take 20? If the 20 is taking, amount will be less than this one. If value is 21 means amount is exactly this one. So it should be, he need at least, this is the least money. So that means 25, next multiple of 5. Understood all of you? If it was answer, suppose if P is 25, what is the answer? 25 itself, because it's a multiple of 5. If not multiple of 5, go to the next one. Why I am telling this one, these all things, the final answer, read and try to understand the concept. We cannot tell this one, that is according to the question, you have to take it. Yes, what is your problem? Read that from which chapter? Banking. Okay, read the question.
Recurring deposit account of rupees 1,200 per month as a maturity value of rupees 12,430. It's a rate of 8% and the interest is calculated at the end of every month. Find the time of this recurring deposit.
So what all values are given?
So 1,200.
1200 is what? P. Then maturity value is given. Okay, then R is given. Then what do you have to find out? Then write the formula and substitute now. You got the equation, the problem is factorization. So then that you get the equation, then I will explain to you. Okay. So you replace first, you write I is equal to and maturity value is P into N plus I. Simplify, get the proper quadratic equation. In this chapter, banking, there is only one difficulty over there you will find is that quadratic equation calculation. Only that quadratic. If N is coming as to kind of, because a quadratic form comes, their factorization. Otherwise, the chapter is generally comparatively easy. Maybe some calculation. Generally, you don't get lengthy calculations. Okay. Now, so that means your banking sector is done. No problem. Now I need all of it. So we are done, already done the homework exercise also. No. Now next is your homework is in your textbook. Selena, if you see means, I think there are a lot of questions are there. Who got the Selena with you? Linear inequations. Banking is done now. Huh? Banking is already done now. Okay. Banking questions, all of you done now, all the questions. Yes. Yeah. There is your linear inequation. There is exercise, different exercises are there. 1-4A, there are 12 questions are there. 4B, there are 37 questions are there. Yes. So there is something around 52 questions are there altogether. Now, if you see your UP volume, we are done classwork something around how many questions are there? 13 homework, 12 questions. From there around 25 to 26 questions you are done already. Yes. And some of them are single. What is the replacement set and already? What do you mean by replacement set?
X raised to X belongs to R. Replacement set like one local.
What is the replacement? Like means what?
X belongs to X.
X belongs to the variable belongs to which set? that set is called the replacement set. If replacement set is not mentioned, it's a real. Okay, if it is not mentioned means it is a real number. So what you have to do means next day's homework is from the book. All of you are Selena, no? Some of the school, is there anyone in the school? So take out your book. Equations not now. At home we take and whatever the questions are not there, we are not. At least 10, 15 minutes.
In the question, it is mentioned real number line, then it is real.
It is real. Mention means always real number. Why it is?
But in real number line, it is mentioned then like graph it in a real number line. So
I will not follow what is that.
If there is a question like, I said, and graph it a real number line. So, sir, you have to first the number line and so that
real.
Okay. Look here. Stop talking. Yeah, 5 different cases. Question can be solved. In the question is solved means you don't need to draw the number line. Second case is solve and represent on the number line. Means you have to write the solution set and draw the number line. Third case is represent it on the number line. You have to solve. And better to write the solution set one word only, but always you write. Then here, first case, your replacement set is what? Number line, whatever the value is coming. Okay, 1 and 2, isn't it? 3x is less than or equal to 6, x less than or equal to x less than or equal to what? 2. Yes or no? Therefore, what is your replace solution set? 1 and 0, 1. From the dot minus 1, 0, 1. See? Who is that dot? 0, 1. X such that, okay, X such that X less than or equal to 2 and X belongs to R. Okay, understood or not? Be careful. Next, fifth one. Real number. If nothing is mentioned means real number. That what is your doubt? I don't know. All the cases I explained. You followed your problem solved? Your problem solved? Okay. So inequations, be careful. One here and there little. Sometimes we feel very easy, but here and there little changes we make means all values should be wrong. Okay, so be careful. So this chapter is done. Now we will go to the next chapter. What are equations? What are the chapters you have done in your school? Yes. GST, who has done the GST in your school? Actually, GST people are doing. GST is going on. Over. Quadratic equation was who was done quadratic equation? Probability later. That you can do. Probability will do later. Okay. That you can do yourself now. CC one. Okay. Acha. GST started. Any school test is announced now? Okay.
So mine.
Speak.
The school test.
What is it? When?
So from 25th onwards.
Chapter.
Matrices, quadratic equation, linear inequation, banking, and probability.
Arey, what to do? No, relax. We will do GST now. Okay. Otherwise, what else to do? Okay. GST. What about the word GST? All of you can follow up. Yes, what is GST? Goods and service tax. Okay. Tax you heard about now? Have you heard about tax? Yes. Okay. What do you hear about tax? Tax on goods. Tax on goods. There are 2 types of tax are there. Hello. It is not 2 types of tax, GST, SGST, and GST. There are 2 types of tax are called. One is called direct tax, and the other one is called indirect tax. Okay, which are taxes? Direct tax and indirect tax. You go to the shop, okay, this notebook, let's say this is the book is there, you go to the shop and the shopkeeper says, its cost is 50 rupees. Okay, that means this 50 rupees, shopkeeper will not get 50. Shopkeeper may get only 45 rupees. Remaining 5 rupees is gone to the asset tax. That is called the indirect tax. Okay, which is already added. That are the taxes. Direct taxes means you must have, every parent will tell IT return, income tax return, income taxes. Okay, from the income, whatever is income, that is called the direct tax. Lot of places are there, lot of, even whatever different ways, wherever you get the income, there is a taxes there. And there is a slab also there, okay, less salary, less tax, more salary means more tax and all. Even different places, corporate got taxes and all like that, taxes are there. Okay, that are called, it is coming as which one? Direct taxes are there. We are going to study about how to calculate goods and service tax. Now, goods tax means, whenever you purchase any item, any article you purchase from there, there will be a taxes there. Okay. Previously, it was sales tax was there, VAT was there, different names it was there. That is government is come. VAT means value added tax. Okay. ST means sales tax. Okay, like that, it was there. Sales tax, value added tax, these all things were there. Now everything is combined and made into one tax that is called GST. Why it is being made means, sometimes, for example, this one, still there are problems are there, is something. This book, when I purchase from Maharashtra, it may be cost for 50 rupees. When I go to Delhi, it may be 40 rupees. When I go to Kerala, it may be 60 rupees. When I go to, let's say, Madhya Pradesh, it may be 70 rupees. Like that. So in India, it's different places, this book cost was varying. Okay, varying. So government decided, let's make a uniformity. Now, if directly you're asking uniformity, there means lot of cases uniformity is not there. Like, for example, petrol itself, it, no? Yeah. Petrol, you read, newspaper, this place it is taxes, this place. Okay. But the government has tried to make it into legalized and all. We don't need to discuss that on this. Okay, so we are going to study about how to calculate tax and how much you have to pay to the government. Now there are cases are there, single transaction. Single transaction means you will see that, go to the shopkeeper, you buy the item, the tax is paid. That is the, you pay and pay to the government, that is done. There is another case is there, from where shopkeeper got this item. He was gone to the wholesale shop. Wholesaler, wholesaler and retailer. Wholesaler means bulk of things. I need only one book. If I need only a single book, where I'll go? I'll go to the local shop and I'll get it. If I instead of one book, I need 1,000 books, then I'll go? I'll go to the wholesale market and get it. Okay, so that is the difference is there. And before that also, before from manufacturer, so one who manufactured the item. So different. Or sometimes you will see manufacturer, wholesaler, dealer one, dealer two, goes to different areas. Now, every time the taxes are calculated, how the taxes, how much amount is given to the government, these are the things you are going to study. First part, it is coming as one single. Single means I go to his shop and buy this one. This how much is the tax? Okay, this is all. Now, over here, the first and foremost thing you have to remember certain things. Certain generally different states are there, within the states are there. Okay, like I go to, let's say I'm in Mumbai, I'll go to Nagpur. I buy some item. That means it is within Maharashtra. Understood? Or instead of that one, if I'm from Mumbai, I go to Jaipur. I buy. Is it within the state? No. Different states are there. So you will see there are two words are coming as one is called inter. Okay. Interstate and intrastate. Those who know the meaning of this one, please raise the hand. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what is the meaning of it?
Intrastate means within the state.
Intrastate means within the state. And interstate means
One state for us.
different state. Understood or not? This keep in mind. What is the meaning of interstate? Different state. On different state. Intrastate means within same state. This much is clear? Now, in the case of intrastate, now next is you are going to see the terms are coming as
So I just feel for interest.
wait, who is that? This very rare you see only. Okay. UT, UGST or UTGST you see. GST, you know what is the meaning? Goods and service tax. Now, why it is called now before goods and service tax? Why it is called goods and service tax now? Goods means buying any items. That is called the goods. You go and buy one shoe, one bag, one piece, other one. So, service tax. What is service tax? Now, what is service tax? Simple example I tell you. Huh? What will it be? Service. Another one, simple, very simple. You are joining us to UT now. UT must have your fees is this much plus tax. Okay, service tax. Previous, I don't know nowadays what is the calculation. Previously it was there, let's say 40,000 plus this much tax. That is called the service tax. Okay, even there are different. Even suppose if you are going and call a technician to repair your AC, they'll tell, okay, 500 rupees is the this one my charge plus tax is there. That is called service tax. Hospital, hotels, lot of people when you go for the food, hotels and all. Okay. Now this is the service taxes coming. Okay, both all of them you have to see that when the conditions are there. No, and that also sometimes you go to the shop also. Do you need a bill? You heard about this one? Yes, if you need the bill, they'll tell you the GST will be added. Then you will tell, no, we don't need the bill, that much money less to pay. Isn't it? There are a lot of, we all do the same thing. We all look for the profit, no? That's now, so GST, goods and service tax. IGST means integrated GST. What's the meaning? Integrated GST. C means central GST. S means state GST. Union territory GST. Okay. In union territories now, okay, basically you don't have this. Okay. Now, this IGST is for interstate. This CGST and SGST are for intrastate. Okay. So, interstate, what we need to calculate? IGST. Then what will be the CGST? 0. And SGST? 0. For intrastate, what you need to calculate? CGST and SGST. Then what will be the IGST? Okay. Either you will be calculating which one? IGST or CGST and SGST. Now, whichever the way you are paying, the amount paid is same. Since tax is paid is this one. You will come to know IGST means same as GST. CGST is half of GST and this also half of GST. Means this one you are paying, let's say 100 rupees. Here how will you pay? 50%. That is all. Don't think that these two things are calculated, nothing half are only. Now what is the difference means? Every goods, government means, we have two systems are there. One is the state government and other one is the central government. Okay. So to run the government, taxes are required for what? Running the government, infrastructure development and all the things. There are a lot of activities done by the state government. There are a lot of activities are done by the central government. So both of them required, money is required from the people only in the form of the tax and all. So that is it. Now, so what is the intrastate means? The transaction is within the state. So what we do means percentage, this percentage goes to directly to which one? State government. This percentage goes to the central government. Now, what is the meaning of interstate? Interstate, one state. I am going to one place from this state to other place. So that means this tax is who all needed? Central government needed, state 1 needed, state 2 needed. So instead of that one, what they do, central government is taken all the money and whatever the share of each state they do. Okay, that all is not required for you. I just only explained to you. So Whenever interstate means what? Open your note, write these all key words. Not too common, right? Chapter heading, right? Yes. GST. Total goods and service tax. Okay. Below, right? What is the mean? What is the meaning of intrastate? Intrastate means within the state. Within the state. Intra, I-N-T-R-A. Within the state. Interstate. What's the meaning?
One state to another.
One state to another state. Okay. Now, below. Right, for intrastate transactions. For intrastate transactions. IGST is equal to 0. CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half GST. For intrastate transactions, IGST is equal to 0. CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half GST. Means CGST is half of the GST and SGST also. Now, next is for interstate. Interstate transactions. IGST is equal to GST. Okay. Next, CGST is equal to SGST is equal to 0. Hope all of you followed this math. There's no problem. Now, the next is coming as you are going to study us. Listen now. Now the next is certain more terms. All right. All okay now. AC is the bar. Then now what is the process?
This one is this.
Is it okay now?
Yes.
You want fan? No, sir. Okay. You bring little water now, problem is all maybe needed. Okay. Next is. Okay. Now, word discount. Very familiar word now. What do you mean by discount? Reduction. Reduction. Okay. First thing is whenever we go to any shop or anywhere online, we say what discount? Okay, 50%, 60%. That's the thing, you know. Discount. Discount is calculated on what? Have you heard about? Do you know how you heard about MRP?
Yes.
MRP. Mark price, market price, printed price, okay, list price. All these things are same thing. List price, printed price, MRP, mark price, all of them are same thing. Means whatever is printed is called the printed price or MRP. Not necessarily you will have to pay this much. Okay, maybe it's 20%. If it is whatever the discount, whatever it is there, you have to give that much. Okay, that is it. Now, discount is given in terms of percentage, most of the cases. Okay, discount. Okay, there were previously double discounts and all over there. That is not there now. You have to learn only one discount only. Okay, discount is given on percentage. That means suppose if you went to the shop, cost of a shoe is given as pair of shoe is given 1,000 rupees. With a discount of 10%. Therefore, what is the discount? 10% of the printed price. That is equal to 100 rupees. So what is the selling price? 100 minus, 1000 minus 100, that is equal to 900. This selling price is same as the discounted price. Selling price is same as the discounted price. Now this discounted price can be calculated one more. If 10% is the discount, how much money you have to pay? 90% you have to pay. 90%. Okay. Understood? Total amount is what? 100%. If discount is 10% means how much you have to pay? 90%. Check 90% of 100, 900. If 20% of the discount, how much is the discounted price? Discounted price is 80% of 900 or 80% of what is the price. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if there is no discount, then selling price is same as the MRP or printed price. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. So, next important thing, GST is calculated on discounted price or selling price. Write down. GST is calculated on selling price. GST is calculated on selling price or which is same as what? Discounted price. Selling price or discounted price. Okay. This also is followed. Next. Next is another one. Another one, it is coming amount of bill. Look here, don't a lot of times you don't think about car, we go to the shop and buy. That is something different. Nowadays, everywhere you go, any shop if it is given, maybe a lot of these one malls and all, when you go there means you will get the bill. If you detail, if you see this one means, you will see that a bifurcation is given. You must, if it is the DMart or anywhere if you go means, generally they give this is the discount, this one and all detail is given. Generally in the mall and all. Other places if you go means you go buy the things, okay, this is 200 rupees means 200 rupees. That also is 200 rupees, they are already computerized. You are purchasing this one computerized over there. They will, how much the shopkeeper is going to get, how much the tax to be paid. Okay. So don't think that 200 amount of the bill means always remember selling price plus GST. Discount. How discount? Selling. So what is selling price? What is selling price? List price minus discount. Are you followed? What is this? For example, come once again. Don't confuse the words and all. 1,000 rupees is marked price or list price, MRP or printed price. Now, what is this 10%? Discount. So, discount. It is discount. Or this percentage of it. What is the meaning of discounted price? Discounted price is same as selling price. Okay, discounted price is same as selling price. In this case, what is the discounted price? 90% of 1,000, which is equal to how much? 900. Are you followed? Okay, discounted price is same as the selling price. And what is the amount of the bill? Selling price plus the tax. Tax means GST. Are you followed? Amount of bill is equal to selling price plus the tax. Okay. Now that is the condition. These are the certain conditions you have to remember. This much is clear? Okay.
Yes,
Now, is it GST same for every product? No, it varies. It varies. Sometimes in your one question, there are 10 items are there. All the 10 items may be the same percent of GST. Or all the 10 items, there are different percentage of GST. Okay, depends upon. No, this one, mainly the GST. There are items are there without GST also. Okay. So there are certain these one edible things and there are things are there without tax also is there in the market is available. That also is there. Now, generally it was when the GST was introduced. I think GST was introduced in 2015, 14 or something. Then it was introduced. Maximum GST was given as 28%. Then 18%, 10% like that it was. Now I don't know what is the maximum. That is not. We will be given the question. Now immediately don't think there are is there are GSTs are beyond taxes beyond that also it is there. Petrol tax is much higher than that. There are things are there. That also is there. Okay. Now anyway that will not we are basically to calculate and all. So First thing is, in a question is given. You have to check, is it interstate or intrastate? How to identify interstate, you know. What is the meaning of interstate? One state to another state. Intrastate means, if it is interstate, what you have to calculate? IGST. How will you calculate IGST? Check what is the percentage of the GST. Okay. So first you will see, you have to say interstate or inter. Before going to that one, we have to identify what is the selling price or discounted price. What is mean by selling price or discounted price? List price minus discount. Okay, list price minus discount and find out the IGST part. Oh, now if it is intrastate means what you have to do? Find the selling price, then find the CGST and SGST. You calculate CGST, automatically SGST will be the same thing. What is CGST? Half of the GST. Means if the GST is 10%, what is CGST? 5% of that. Okay, GSTs are given in percentage, taxes are given in percentages. Okay, that is one. And if it is if it is GST is 10%, what is IGST?
10%.
Same 10%. This much is clear? Now, one by one, questions you will read and one by one try to analyze the questions. Some of the questions are little lengthy, calculations are there, different items are there. Even different item mean maybe cost of one item and there are 25 items like that. The table is there, tabular form will be given. One by one, we will calculate. All right, okay. What was the class before? 30 now?
Yeah.
Okay. Before calculating, let's okay, good. All right. Yes. Next. At your read. Then why you resign? Introduction you read.
Every government, be it central or state government, needs money for administrative expenses.
Page 1.
Welfare and development schemes, salaries of employees, etc. Governments collect money, revenue by
Levy.
levying tax within the respective territory. In India, we have two types of taxes, direct taxes and indirect taxes. Direct taxes are those that are levied on the income of individuals or organizations. They include income tax and corporate tax. Indirect taxes are those that are paid by consumers or organizations when they buy goods or services or goods.
Okay, continue next.
In order to calculate taxes, we need to note the following important terms. Dealer. A dealer is a person who buys goods or services for resale.
For resale. What is the meaning of resale? You know? Buy and sell to someone else.
Cost price is the price at which a trader buys goods. The cost price is also termed basic price. List price, it is the price at which the article is marked. This price is also known as marked price, printed price, code price, etc.
Discount.
Discount in order to sell out the old stocks or for some other reason, shopkeepers offer certain percentage of this price as a discount. This discount is always calculated on this price. Selling price, it is the price at which a trader sells with discount. If any selling price is also calculated, it is called clearance.
Okay, so selling price equal to list price minus discount, which is equal to discount price. It's not necessarily always discount is there. If discount is not there, means there no. Okay, so tax is calculated on which price? Tax is calculated on which price? Selling price. Okay, selling price, not itself. Now we will calculations and all we will do itself. In the state, intrastate and all of you know. We will start in the next part. Homework I have already given now. Okay, thank you. Inequations.
Sir, can you tell the homework again?
Homework is take your textbook, check the chapter inequations, whichever the questions which you have not done from the inequations, whichever there in the Selena, please do it. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Take the MLA one and do now. certain sum. Okay, small term. Right. What's it?